So today we're going to take the MAF sensor off, we're going to clean it up and see how it is. The last time I drove the car there was a little problem with the MAF sensor, the engine light came on and it was a code, I can't remember what code it was, but it was relating to the MAF sensor. So we'll take it off, see how it is once we clean it up, and then take it from there whether we need to replace it or whatever. So I just opened the engine bay and that's obviously out of place, so that might have been the reason why. I'm going to put that back in place, check to make sure all the clips are tight, and then I'm going to take the MAF sensor out and clean it anyway. So I'm actually going to start by taking these off. And now, if we pull this back, keep that somewhere safe, then you can press on this tab and that way you can pull it out. It's a good idea to put that back in so you don't lose it. We'll undo this one now so that way we can take the MAF out. So these three little elements, they're the main bits that we want to clean. Make sure you don't touch them and you use a mass airflow sensor cleaner and just spray them. And then just let them air dry, and we'll do the same on the other side. To be fair, this looks pretty clean. I didn't clean it too long ago, but obviously what we saw explains why we had the problem that we had. But we're just going to spray it anyway. And then just leave it to dry on its own. So let's put it back now it's dried. Make sure that's in there properly. And now we're going to tighten up this clip. Now we'll plug the sensor back in, so pull back on that, push it in, it's clipped in, and then you put that in to secure it. Now we'll put this back in, so start off with the back, get that lined up and in place. That's it, and then we'll get the front in. Now it's in, we'll just tighten up the clips. And then just make sure all the clips are tight. And once they're all tight, all of these, then you're done. So I took the car out and now it seems to be alright, it's all good. It must have been from when I was fiddling around with some pipe work underneath the car. I must have jolted it loose a little bit. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.